back to the channel. My name is Fallon, 1/3 of the Spencer family. On this channel, we post lifestyle content, beauty and travel, business on the way, so stay tuned. So I know you've seen by the title, today I will be showing you how I apply my rice water. Don't mind the hair. If you haven't checked out the video, please look in the eye or in the description. I've linked that. I masked the smell with peppermint and it still smells like peppermint, so kudos to peppermint.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.
So the first thing you want to do is detangle your hair. I'm gonna put it into sections. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Y'all women actually have one of the longest hairs I've seen. So I'm curious to know what this will do for my hair. I'm going to measure my hair at the end of this video and then we'll track if it grows or what it does over time. This is my first time using the rice water rinse. So you can use a comb, you can use your fingers, which is what I'm doing. I'm just using my fingers. Nails are sharp enough. Check out that video, nail vlog for Vlogmas. I just like to section off my hair into little twists. I find that I can focus on each section this way. So you see right now I have 1, 2, 3, and I'm actually gonna do 2 more sections if you can see that. Probably wanna do this with a wide tooth comb. That's gonna work out just fine as well. All done. If you're familiar, the Yao women dump their hair into a bowl. I do have natural hair. I've had natural hair for a very long time. A little over a year, if not 2 years ago, I did color my hair. I'm not sure if you see it. I didn't do any touch-ups or anything, so it's actually growing out. My hair is a little damp, so you probably won't see the color, but it's probably grown out to about here now. I am using the spray bottle method. I'm not sure exactly how my hair is going to react to it. Sometimes the rice will settle on the bottom and that's fine. You just want to give it a shake. Make sure I get the roots of my hair. Alright, so when you put your desired amount of rice water into your hair, you want to drench the roots and actually top to bottom of your head as much as you feel is necessary. You probably want to start off slow to know how it reacts to your hair. Plastic cap or a plastic bag if you don't have a plastic cap. The Yao women, they do recommend that they leave their hair drenched in rice water for about 30 minutes. I'm going to do 15 to 20 minutes. So my husband just said if I wanted him to leave the house, all I had to do is say that. It kind of stinks in here. But yeah, it has been sitting for a while, fermenting. So 15 minutes is up, so I'm about to hop in the shower. I'm going to shampoo, condition, and rinse out this rice water and the smell as much as I can. Let's go. that's done. So now I'm going to leave this on for another 15 minutes to add that moisture back in. Rice water can sometimes be harsh. I do have full hair. It's fine and kind of silky, so I do not want this to be too harsh for my hair. So I'm actually out of the shower. I have washed, conditioned my hair. I left both the rice water and the conditioner in for 15 minutes. If you're watching this far, you know that. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner, which is what I usually do. About that much for right now. I'm gonna rub it in and I'm gonna get the roots. I'm working it all around my hair to make sure my hair is not dry. Go ahead, comb that through. My hair is naturally curly. So you see how detangled that is. I'm gonna make sure. That I'm doing whatever I can to make sure that this is nice and moisturized, not a moment left dry. I got hair all over my hands, but this is wash day, this is real life. So I'm going to go in with my Olaplex. Leave-in reparative styling cream eliminates fizz, hydrates, and protects. I'm not worried about fizz. I usually use this as a hair mask where I sit underneath the dryer. But I'm gonna just leave it in right now. I have things to do and I have spent all day pampering myself. I won't even be relaxed. I'll be thinking about all the things I have to do, so this is it. I washed, conditioned my hair. I left the conditioner in as like a treatment. Then when I dried my hair, I went in with a leave-in conditioner because I washed the conditioner out, so you go in with the leave-in conditioner. Olive and She, so it's an Olive and She Shine and Hold Mist. Another leave-in on top of that. So whatever your products are, your preference of your products, go ahead and put that in after you use your rice water. Rice water is full of protein, and depending on how long you've had it fermented, or just in general, depending on your hair type, your hair texture, all of those things go into what it's going to do to your hair. So just want to make sure you got all of those reparative things, treatments on top of it. Then you let the rice water do its thing. So I measured in from the side view, which is about 17.5 inches, and the back view, which is 21 inches while curly. I have a lot of shrinkage with my curls, so I'm going to track how long it gets while being curly, and then I will update you on how long it actually is once I straighten it eventually. Thank you for watching part 2 of our rice water series. Thank you for joining me on this journey. You guys have shown so much love to our natural hair tutorials. You can find those in the playlist. And I just wanted to just give you something new. Stay tuned for the rice water series where I will be sharing what it's done to my hair, whether it's grown it, whether it's damaged it. Girl, Who knows? Whatever it's gonna be, you'll find out first by staying tuned to this channel. Like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, get your rice water on, and let me know down in the comments how you do your rice water down below in the comment section. That's it for today. I will see you on the next episode. Stay beautiful and blessed. Happy holidays.
Yeah, life I'm living. Live it.